Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. So here comes the Prestige Magic Glass Top 2 burner stove, where you can see the box base looks pretty good, and we have bought it from Reliance store. And here you can see it has a 2 years warranty and 10 years more, and you can find the gas stove which it is of glass top, and here is the spill proof, and you can see the price as well for 499, which is of model number December 2018, and this is an unboxing of 2020. So it's a brand new, and it has an ergonomic knob and also tough black glass top with 3-pin burner. So here you can see the model number of the gas stove is GMTC02, and let's unbox it. So once you unbox, you can see all the thermocol buffet sheets, so you can just remove them for easy unboxing. So we have removed it, and here is the booklet or handbook. You find it, and here you can see we have bought it very in a new condition. And here let's unbox it. So once you unbox, you can see how the packing is made from them. So the packing is pretty cool, and you can see or easily find if you found any fake products or this. So here comes the brand new look, and it is totally covered with all the covers, plastic covers, and also thermocol sheets. And here you can see how tightly they have packed. So they have packed in a way that these things doesn't fall even if you lift when you are unboxing it. So here is the metal where you can see it is of it has three uh, droplets to put in, so you can just fix them. And here is the burner where you can see it is of bronze made, bronze coated. So you can see that the knob, like, it has more holes when compared to the market product which you find anywhere. So we have bought it by seeing those holes, because the holes should be more so that the gas can light up and make your things hot very soon. And here you can see the metal wrap, metal thing, and this is for, so that this can be used so that if something leaks or something falls down like milk, it will stop there only on the steel plate, so that it doesn't fall down. And this is how we can put it easily. And any basic, this is just a basic guide. And here you can see the plastic knobs where you can um, increase or decrease easily. They are tight, you need to press it, then you need to increase or decrease. If you directly increase or decrease, it doesn't happen. And here you can see the outlet or inlet which you can put the gas pipe over here. And it is also covered with the plastic thing or rubber, and this is actually a rubber thing. And they have closed it because if sometimes in the packaging thing some mosquitoes or any other small insects may move inside, so they have closed it. And even you can also close it when not in use, or when you're outside of the station removing the gas pipe. And here you can see the inside look or view of how it has built, and it is so clear that you don't have to worry about it. So it's beautifully made, and we are totally satisfied. And as you can see, they have fallen down when I lifted it up, but it just makes normal sound because it has some black color painted on it. That's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, tap on the bell icon.